Stop throwing your money away on $8 jars of pasta sauce. This magic sauce costs pennies, takes 10 minutes to make, and is how I'm fueling my body while restarting my health journey. Pause here to screenshot the list or scan the QR code for the full recipe. We're using a pre-baked sweet potato today. It gives us that deep caramelized flavor without the 40-minute wait. And because this sauce is going to come together so fast, we actually need to start with our protein first. Pro tip: cooking our meatballs first is the key so they stay warm while our pasta and sauce finish. Mashing these by hand lets us keep some of that meaty texture. I always make a few extra for the freezer. You know those nights when you're just too tired to cook from scratch? Having these ready to go means you can still have a hot, high-protein meal in 5 minutes without having to spend a dime on takeout. I'm going to put the meatballs in the oven while I get the pasta and the sauce ready. While the pasta boils, we make our magic sauce. We're adding white beans for a massive protein boost and nutritional yeast for that light, umami, cheesy flavor. Here's the chef hack. Don't dump your pasta water. The starchy water is the secret to turning this into a velvety luxury sauce. Look at that thick, creamy sauce. This is vibrant, high-protein comfort food for a fraction of the price of takeout. $1.44 per serving for high-protein comfort. This is exactly what I mean when I say you don't have to sacrifice your health for your budget. If you're loving these budget meals but want to go deeper into the lifestyle behind these recipes, then join me on my SUBSTACK. It's where I share bonus content and personal insights where I don't share anywhere else. Thank you for cooking with me today, and I will see you next time on the next video. Bye for now.